Have you ever asked yourselves kung meron bang difference yung reclusion perpetua from life imprisonment? Is life imprisonment an English translation for the penalty of reclusion perpetua? The answer po is hindi po sila pareho. And life imprisonment, since magkaiba sila, it is not the English translation for reclusion perpetua. Now, why do I say this? In 1992, matagal na ito, Administrative Circular number 6-A-92. Panahon pa ito ni Chief Justice Narbasa. Sabi ni Justice Narbasa sa circular, sabi niya, the court has observed that several trial judges in their judgments of conviction for such serious offenses as murder, robbery with homicide, and rape with homicide, etc., fail to appreciate and observe the substantial difference between reclusion perpetua under the RPC and life imprisonment when imposed as a penalty by special law. Kahit sa mga judges po, medyo merong mga judges na confused din, kung parehas lang ba or magkaiba yung meaning ng dalawa. So, to resolve the confusion, nag-issue ngayon ang Supreme Court ng Administrative Circular number 6-92 dated October 12, 1992. Sabi ng Supreme Court dito, yung basis ng Supreme Court dito is sa kaso pa rin, the case of People versus Pinilos. Sabi ng Supreme Court, in the case of Pinilos, the revised penal code does not prescribe the penalty of life imprisonment for any of the felonies therein defined. Wala pong penalty of life imprisonment kung ang crime is nasa revised penal code. Ang life imprisonment po as a penalty is imposed only for crimes punished under special laws. So that's one difference. Another difference is, ang reclusion perpetua po is hindi po siya imprisonment for life. Ang reclusion perpetua actually has a duration, meaning the convict can be sentenced to a penalty ranging from 20 years and 1 day to 40 years. So ang pinakamahabang sentensya na pwedeng ipataw when a convict is imposed the penalty of reclusion perpetua is up to 40 years po. After 40 years, dapat i-release na siya. But paano kung 50 na siya na convict tapos final na yung judgment of conviction niya? 40 years, 90 years na siya lalabas. Meron pa siyang kamag-anak na maabutan. Now, ang isa rin dyan is, let's say, 40 years, no? After 30 years po of serving time in prison, eligible na ho siya for pardon. Pwede na ho siyang ipardon ng presidente. It's only the president who has the power to pardon convicts. Wala pong iba, not the Supreme Court Justice, not anyone else. Now, ang life imprisonment naman po is wala po siyang fixed duration. Parang imprisonment for life talaga ito. So between reclusion perpetua and life imprisonment, mas mahaba po ang life imprisonment kesa sa reclusion perpetua. So ang sabi dito, the revised penal code does not prescribe the penalty of life imprisonment for any of the felonies therein defined. That penalty being invariably imposed for serious offenses penalized not by the revised penal code but by special law. Okay. Reclusion perpetua entails imprisonment for at least 30 years, after which the convict becomes eligible for pardon. It also carries with it accessory penalties, namely perpetual special disqualification, yung mga accessory penalties po na nakalagay doon sa RPC. Sabi pa dito, it is not the same as life imprisonment, which for one thing does not carry with it any accessory penalty, and for another, does not appear to have any definite extent or duration. So yun po ang difference ng life imprisonment from reclusion perpetua.